What up, my comic geeks? I'm Lance, and today we're doing some more RWBY, and I'm excited. This is good. We're doing chapter 3, volume 2, a minor hiccup. I think I almost had the hiccup. Um, but yeah, I don't really have much about it except I'm curious to see where it's going for this volume. Seems like we have finally got into the meat of we actually have an antagonist now, and I'd like to see how the characters like Ruby and them are going to react to that, how they're going to take or dismantle the, the operations that are going down, um, and see if it leads to bigger and badder things. But yeah, let's hop into it, shall we? But before we do, don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment because every like, view, and comment helps YouTube show our content. So hit that belly and you'll stay up to date. All right. This one starts out strong. Like that that starts strong. It doesn't have like the vocals. It's a different type of song. It's a slower lead up to the pump, I guess. But still a very strong intro song. Yeah, I can't wait to see them go up against them. It's gonna be cool. Sweet. I like how they do that. That's really cool.
So, Weiss, I was thinking after this, maybe we could go grab a bite to eat? And, I've got 2 tickets to that new Spruce Willis movie if you want to make it to Vale. I hear it's awesome.
Spruce Willis.
And then maybe after that we could study together? I mean, you're smart, and I'm,
Not so smart. She's like, okay, class dismissed.
Timed that one wrong, I guess. Well, the stunning conclusion to the story will have to wait until next time.
Weiss?
Damn, nobody listens to him, eh? He goes on to like rants, and he's just like blah 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 blah. John, you're not getting a date with her. Why not Pira? Like, almost says pre-pre.
Alright guys, today's the day. The investigation begins! I'm glad to see we're taking this so seriously.
Hey, we've got a plan. That's moderately serious.
Everyone remember their roles?
Not really.
And I will head to the CCT to check the Schnee records for any other dust robberies or inconsistencies. Seeing as I'm in the family, it shouldn't be a problem.
The White Fang has regular faction meetings to hand out orders and recruit new members. If I can get in, I can hopefully find out what they're planning.
I have an old friend on the shady side of town that typically knows everything going on in Vale. Getting information out of him shouldn't be too hard.
Great, we'll meet up tonight near Yang to go over what we found. Let's do this!
I mean, that's not a that's not a bad plan.
How did you get up there?
It's easy. I do it all the time.
You do
He's
what?
got a tail.
I climb trees all the time. So, are we finally getting back at that Torchwick guy?
We are going to investigate the situation as a team.
Sorry,
You're
son,
not part
we
of
don't want
our
to get
team.
friends involved if we don't have to.
That's dumb. You should always get friends involved. That's why I brought Neptune.
Sup?
How did
Sup?
you even get up here?
I have my ways.
He's
guys,
slick.
we're like really high up right now.
Alright, I'll go with Weiss.
He's a
You
slick
can go with
dude,
me.
eh?
And Neptune, you can go with Yang since she doesn't have a partner. Everyone good? Actually, Ruby, why don't you go with Yang? After all, she is your sister. But Weiss, who would go with you then? Well, I guess Neptune could come with me.
Uh-oh.
Nah.
She's got a crush on him.
Wow! I forget how big the transmit tower looks up close. You should see the one in Atlas. That was the first one, right? Correct.
Atlas developed the cross-continental transmit system to allow the four kingdoms to communicate with one another. It was their gift to the world after the Great War.
Ooh, look at me.
So it's
My name is Weiss. I know facts.
like
I'm
a satellite
rich.
tower?
Don't be a pest. Besides, the only reason we're here is because you like the tower so much. We could have just as easily made a call from the library.
I know, but it's so cool. Oh, I'm gonna take a picture.
Oh, nice.
Oh,
It's Penny.
you dropped this. Penny?
Oh my god.
Ben!
Right?
I haven't seen you since the night at the docks. Sorry, I think
I
you're
forgot.
confused.
Most, not really. It's been more
I've
in
had to
the
go.
back of my
What was that
mind.
about?
I don't know,
But
but I'm going to find
she
out. You
works
go make your
for,
call.
or she's owned by somebody or something. She works for somebody. Loyal to someone.
Penny, where have you been? It's been weeks. There seems to be a misunderstanding. What? Penny, is everything okay? Penny, please stop. Look, I don't know what's wrong, but you have to listen to me. Those guys we fought at the docks, we think they're up to something big, something bad. I need you to tell me what happened to you that night. Please, as a friend.
Are we actually gonna find out?
It isn't safe to talk here.
Hmm. She just left Weiss alone though. Or it's more like a communication tower. That was probably the word I was looking for.
Hello. Welcome to the CCT. How may I help you?
I'd like to go to the communications room, please.
Absolutely. Could you please place your scroll on the terminal to verify your identity? Perfect. Thank you, Miss Schnee.
Are you going to see someone? Like your dad?
Welcome to the Beacon Cross Continental Transmit Center. How may I help you?
I need to make a call to Schnee Company World Headquarters in Atlas.
Absolutely. If you could head over to Terminal 3, I'll patch you through.
Thank you.
Oh. This is weird. But okay. I mean, their world, like they said, is largely wilderness or something like that. So this makes sense.
Atlas. Oh, Miss Schnee. Good afternoon. Would you like me to patch you through to your father? I think your sister Winter might be here as well.
No, thank you. I was actually wondering if you could find some files for me. I've compiled a short list.
Alright, they had things to do.
If you don't mind,
I forgot.
what may I ask is this for?
None of your
School project.
business.
There are some sensitive documents on this list, ma'am.
Well then, I'll be sure to treat them with care.
Right. Very well. The data's being transferred to your scroll now.
Wonderful. That will be all then.
Are you sure you wouldn't like me to patch you through to your father before you go?
Yes, I'm sure.
Well,
Yeah.
then,
I don't want him knowing what I'm doing.
I wish I could help you, Ruby, but I don't know anything about those men. Well, what happened to you that night? We were all together and then you just disappeared. Were you kidnapped? Oh, no, nothing like that. Well, then where did you go? I've never been to another kingdom before. My father asked me not to venture out too far, but you have to understand.
Could
my
he
father
be,
loves me
she
very
be
much. He just
like the
worries
general's
about me.
daughter?
Believe me,
or
I know the
daughter?
feeling. But why not let us know you were okay? I was asked not to talk to you. Or Weiss, or Blake, or Yang. Anybody, really. Was your dad that upset? No, it wasn't my father.
The A3130 has been the standard security model of RWBY for several years. And they have done a fine job. Wouldn't you agree? Wouldn't you agree?
Mm-hmm.
But the Kingdom of Atlas is a kingdom of innovation. And fine? Well,
That was that guy, clearly, right?
Presenting the Elysian Knight. 200.
Has to be.
Smarter, sleeker, and admittedly, a little less scary. These models will become active later this year, but they won't be alone. Now, the Atlesian military has always supported the idea of removing men from the dangers of the battlefield. However, there are still many situations that undoubtedly require a human touch.
Ruby?
So, our kingdom's greatest minds, in cooperation with the Schnee Dust Company, are proud to introduce the Atlesian Paladin.
Jesus.
Now, we couldn't have them here for you today.
That thing is, that looks like it's gonna be a beast.
Ruby, maybe we should go somewhere else. Penny? Wait, where are you going?
Mm-hmm. She's clearly one of them. She's like, she was built by that company. Oh, damn it. I would have loved to see a guy fly. That would have been hilarious. Breakable things. Well, they're probably all broken. I thought you had super speed. Catch her. There you go. Jesus. Duck. Jeez. Oh, snap.
Penny? Are you okay?
Uh-huh.
Jeez.
Did you see that?
Do you think she's okay?
Penny, come back!
Can you call the police? Did she stop that with her bare hands?
Yeah, she was developed by that company or something. Because she was like throwing weapons out of her back and shit.
Please! What is going on? Why are you running? How did you do that? I can't. Everything's fine. I don't want to talk about it. Penny, if you can just tell me what's wrong, I can help you. No, you wouldn't understand. Let me try. You can trust me. You're my friend, right? You promise you're my friend? I promise. Ruby, I'm not a real girl.
Yeah.
Oh.
That makes sense. That kind of came back. It was in the back of my mind, but truthfully, I like that it came back as quick as it did. Clearly she's developed by that guy. And yeah, I'm excited to see where they're gonna go with it. They really started out what they're planning, trying to go after those people, like Roman, the ginger guy, I think it's Roman, and his bosses, the White Fang. So yeah, I'm excited to see what else they're gonna do and when they finally come into contact with them. I don't have a lot about this. This episode was pretty predictable. As soon as she was Penny was brought back, I figured exactly they would tell us our story. They did, and that's all they pretty much did. So yeah, it did. The other characters weren't really here. We got to see Weiss use her, I guess, name and like her family stuff to get some information. So I guess we'll see where that leads. Other than that, the rest of the characters weren't really here in this episode. So I'm guessing we're gonna check in with them in the next one. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time with some more comic talk. Later.